I've got two DJI mics here, DJI Mic 2s, and I'm going to connect them up to me and my wife, ready to do a travel vlog for my other channel, Our Turn Now. But we have a problem, which is fixable in one click, and I'll show you how. The Mic 2s are both connected. I've got one, Kath's got one, and Kath's just going to tell you a little something about what's happening in our next video on the travel channel. Kath?
On our next video on the travel channel, we're going to go up into Casada and we're going to go around places that we've not been, like the town hall.
That's fine. Right, so you go and sit down now, Kath, and I'll just carry on with this in a second. Right, Kath's gone in the other room now.
Casada is a popular, predominantly residential and tourist town in Alicante, Spain, specifically part of the municipal of Rojales. Established in the 1970s by Justo Casada, it is known for its international, largely northern European population, the La Marquesa golf course, and its proximity about 6 to 10 kilometres to the Costa Blanca beaches of Guadamar and...
Okay, so you just heard that. It sounded a bit strange. There were two voices, both at the same time, because Kath forgot to turn the mic off when she went into the other room. So let's have a look. We'll go to the beginning of the clip. Now, I'll just let it play for a little while. That's me talking first. And then Kath comes in. So I started talking first about there. And then Kath came in. But we're both speaking together. So what can I do? Well, I can reduce the volume. Let's have a listen. Nope. Still two of us talking. If you look down here, you can see both mics. Two mics there going up and down. One's Kath and one's me. So how can we fix it? Well, the fix is, there's a one-click fix, which I'll show you at the end of the video. The way you're normally shown how to do it on all the different YouTube videos, tutorials, is like this. First of all, we'll re-import the file. So I'm going to delete this. Delete selected. Delete it from up there. Oh, go on. Then we'll re-import it. Oh, import media. That's the one. So there's the file. Or the clip rather. So we right click the clip and we go down to the bottom to clip attributes. And on here we see we've got the stereo channel, which we turn to mono. Then we need to add another channel. So we go there to mono. So these are now channel 1, audio 1. Channel 2, we need to change that. Audio 2. Press OK. Now when I drop this one in now, we'll just drop it, we'll append it to the end. There's a nice shortcut there as well. So we've appended it to the end of the clips. Let's try again and see what happens. Right,
Casada is a popular, predominantly residential and tourist town in Alicante, Spain, specifically part of the municipal of Rojales.
There.
Established in the 19th.
There, so you can see it split it and there's now two tracks. So the top one I've renamed to Kath because I know that's her voice. The bottom track I've renamed to Mick because I know that's my voice. And you can check that by, let's have a look. We'll mute Kath first and we'll play again. Right, Kath's gone in the other room now. So I'm just going to record. There you go, you can only hear me. So I'm muting me and now you should only hear Kath.
In Alicante, Spain, specifically part of...
So that split the tracks. If I unmute both of them...
The municipal of Rojales, established in the 1970s by...
It's all confusing again. You can see down, when I play it, you can see down in the mixer we've got track 1 and track 2. Let's just show you that.
It is known for its
track 1, track 2. Separate channels. And that's how you fix that little problem. You split them both into mono. But it's quite a long way around. You have to import it. You can't do it once you've put them on the timeline. If you put it back up there, like this, let's have a look at this track. Right, on this track, there's me and Kath speaking together. The mic tools are both connected. I've got one, Kath's got one. And if I go up to clip attributes, change that to mono, add a track, change that to stereo, change it to number 2, press OK. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. You've got to re-import the track and do it all from scratch. So we'll do that just to show you again. Delete that one. Remove that one. Import this one, that one. So there's the track. Right click, clip attributes, change it to mono, add a track, change that one to mono, change that to 2. Press OK, and we'll insert that just there. You can see there's 2 tracks now. Now that I've changed the clip attributes, and away we go, we'll play. The one-click way of doing all this is, so the one-click method is as simple as this. Let's just delete these 2 tracks first. These 2 clips rather. So we'll remove those, delete them. We'll go up to DaVinci Resolve, we'll come down to Preferences, and down here we have a little setting under User and Editing, which is Configure Clips as Multi-Mono on Import. So we'll tick that one and save it. And then we'll go back to Importing Media. We'll take those 2 tracks, we'll import them. And now when we drop those on the timeline, you'll see we've got double mono tracks. So that's your one-click solution. Change the setting in Preferences. When you import anything recorded on the Pocket 3 or other DJI products, I think, anything recorded with 2 mics on the Pocket 3 in this instance, will have the tracks split, and it's a lot easier to edit. So I'm sure that's worth a like and a subscribe. I'll be doing more things with cameras and recording and a bit of DaVinci Resolve in the future. So if you do subscribe and press the notification bell, you'll hear about it first. Thanks a lot, and ciao for now.